Today I'm going to be showing you how to get to the MSMS Lost and Found website. So you get to a new tab, and everyone on their Chromebooks has these MSMS bookmarks, and you're going to go to the first one, MRPSVT. You're going to click that. It's going to take you to this website. You're going to scroll down here, all the schools. You're going to pick the one with the Gator that says Main Street Middle School. And it's going to take you to this page for Main Street Middle School. You're going to go down, and you're going to click Lost and Found right next to Miss the Principal and Jess Wells. And then you're going to click this website, Lost and Found, and you're there. And yeah.
Once you are to the MSMS Lost and Found website, you look at the top bar. So there are a bunch of different categories of different items. So there's tops, small, medium, tops, large, extra large, hats and gloves, footwear, bottles, containers, miscellaneous, and accessories. So for example, say I had a missing hoodie. That is a size large. I would go to tops, large, and extra large. I would scan through to see all the different items that have been listed and look for mine. Say this Vermont hoodie is mine. It fits my description and the sizing. You would look at the item number. So the item number for this one is 202. You would take your item number and go back to the home page. Now, for the next step, you would go on and fill out the MSMS Lost and Found claim form.
Now that we have found our item, and let's just go back and refresh. Our item is this Vermont hoodie. 202 is our item number. So we're going to go back to the home page, and we're going to click this big yellow link that says MSMS Lost and Found claim form. That's going to take us to this survey claim form. So it's going to have your first name, middle name, and last name. You don't need to put in your middle name, but it is required, so then you hit next. So my item is 202, and the description is a green Vermont hoodie. Oh, wait, I spelled that wrong. Okay, and here's an important question. Can you pick up in the office? If you can, we will drop your item off at the office, and you will go there and we will notify you when it is there, and you will go pick it up. If you can't, we can email you, and we can set something else up, like you coming to the sustainability classroom at a certain time, and then you would hit submit.
Now don't forget, if you lost an item, make sure you go to the MSMS Lost and Found website so that you can get your item back.